Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel Electronics ASOS. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded any video. I was busy and I thought I should quit. But I got a very interesting topic to talk about today, which is the Ultra Pixel real? Now we've seen a lot of rumors, leaks and all this stuff all around the internet, and I finally came to a conclusion I should make a video about this. What I believe, the Ultra Pixel is a thing for real. Well, rumors says Google could release an Ultra Pixel phone alongside the Google Pixel 3 and the Google Pixel 3 XL, which they accidentally revealed the launch date, that is 4th of October, I guess. So Google's releasing these three phones directly to compete with the three iPhones that are going to be launched this year. Now, why is this Ultra Pixel phone so interesting and so important discussion to talk about? Because this will be directly competing with the iPhone 10 or the iPhone 10 Plus that will be launched by Apple perhaps this year. So what's so special about this phone? Pixel 2 was a great phone, it had great cameras, but the thing it missed was the screen to body ratio. Now in the leaks and the images that we have all around the internet, it shows that Pixel 3 will be much more of a bezel-less, about 90 to 95% of screen to body ratio, perhaps an in-display fingerprint scanner like the Vivo X21, who knows. And do you guys remember the video that Arun Maini, the famous YouTuber aka Mr. Who's the Boss, posted last year about the leaked slide of the Ultra Pixel phone by Google? That thing may be real, and obviously you guys might remember the Google Pixel 2 launch event in which the phone was eventually showcased. In the Google Calendar widget on the top of the home screen, it displayed Ultra Pixel meeting in the secret conference room. But that thing might be real. Is Google trolling us, or that's a new way of marketing strategy? Now I have one more source which could convince you that this Ultra Pixel thing is real. Did you guys watch the new NFL EA Sports commercial? Now this guy is holding a phone which looks like a Google phone. It has a two-tone display. The phone from the front angle. Now this phone actually looks like the Google Pixel 3 XL. The screen to body ratio is huge and it's a Google phone after all. Maybe this is a hoax, or maybe this is a marketing strategy. Who knows? But whatever it is, it's getting intense. I can't wait for the Google Pixel 3 launch event this year. See you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Mystrey.